We're calling it the iPhone SE.
Steve Jobs will be turning in his grave. Do you want to know what the SE really stands for? Same edition, or super embarrassing. Apple. Lower expectations by releasing the SE, so people will be overhyped again when we're releasing the same iPhone this year, but calling it the iPhone 12. Genius. This is your leader of innovation right here, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, just look at those bezels. $399, so what, just because you dropped the price and you think we're going to fall for that trick? Oh, wait a minute. If you're still using an iPhone 6, congratulations, you just bought yourself the new iPhone SE. A company valued at $1 trillion, and how did they get there? By innovating the marketplace with products like this, of course, duh. You've got the best design team on the planet, and you told them to use the same old design, the exact same form factor. Are they a joke to you? Are we a joke to you? Come on! This is what a virtual slap in the face looks like from Apple to anybody who bought this. The fancy packaging won't hide the truth of the ugliness that lies within. Can I get my refund? Why would you watch anything on this, apart from videos of sheep perhaps? Get it? 750 by 1334 pixels. I mean, what type of resolution is that? Is that even 720p HD? So content will be in potato quality? Great. Retina IPS LCD, if I ever hear that term one more time. Just a single camera. But wait a minute, it shoots at 4K 60 FPS. Okay, that's amazing, you can have two sins back. I mean, if this is a throwback to 2016, give me the headphone jack. You could have at least given us some new colour choices. The battery will last as long as my YouTube video. Don't worry guys, they've given you a tiny 5-watt charger in the box. You'll be back online in 24 hours. Oh wait, you can get a faster charger, you just have to fork out some more money for that. The lightning charging cable is still proprietary, whilst the entire world switches to USB Type-C. And all you Apple users know your charging cables are made like crap, so whilst you're buying the fast charger, you might want to buy one of them as an extra as well. Looks like Apple had a lot of iPod leftovers and bam, here's the new iPhone. If you plan to buy the SE, you better enjoy using those leftover parts. Is this phone meant to reach the expectations set for 2020? If not, it's fine, it's Apple, remember, they get a free pass. It's, what's the word I'm looking for? Boring? Really, you're paying an extra $50 for 128 gig storage, cause let's face it, 64 gig memory just won't cut it. And an additional $100 to double the storage to 256 gig. This is ridiculous. Okay, I can't stand Face ID, and they brought Touch ID back. Fine, a sin taken away. Don't attempt gaming on this phone if you have any concerns about your battery. Do not attempt to use the camera at night or in low light conditions. And a moment of silence for those who bought an iPhone 8 a while ago at a much higher price. Apple, hey boss, we got a lot of iPhone screens and cameras laying around. What should we do? I'm sorry, Steve.